Hi, today I'm going to compare two stainless steel capsules that is compatible for Nespresso Original Line machine, and I'm going to share the pros and cons that I think these two capsules have. I'm going to also demonstrate to you the result of you brewing with these two capsules, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like after brewing. Okay, the first one is SealPod Reusable Capsule. Looks like this. And the other one is I Cafilas capsule. Looks like this. Okay. For SealPod, it uses the aluminum sticker lids to seal the capsule. This allows pressure to build inside and result in more crema, like the pre-packed disposable capsules. But this one is consumable, so you need to repurchase the sticker lids. And for iCafilas, it comes with the stainless steel lid, so you don't need to repurchase this. Maybe you need to, but later I'll explain why. But it doesn't have a consumable. Okay. For SealPod, it comes with a fresh cover. What is this fresh cover for? For you to be able to pre-fill and store your capsule and have it ready whenever you need. So the fresh cover can help it keep the coffee fresh up to 10 days because it covers this part, so air will not go into your coffee, and you can store it like this, and whenever you want you can have. And for iCafilas, because it has holes here and holes here, you cannot pre-fill it. You need to fill it each time that you are going to drink. And both are easy to fill and easy to clean. For SealPod, it's easy to clean because you remove the sticker lids and it's very easy. See inside. And for iCafilas, when you fill, you need to fill the right amount. If you fill to the top, you are not able to close your lid because it has a thickness here. Okay, so you need to fill a little bit less. And with the cleaning part about the iCafilas, I think this cover, the lid, the stainless steel lid, is a little bit more complicated to clean because you can see there's a thickness here. Coffee comes from here and comes out from here, but you're not able to clean in between this because you can only remove the silicone ring, but here you're not able to remove this side to clean inside. There's the filter inside here. Okay, you're not able to remove that, so that's why I said maybe you need to purchase this cover from time to time, because there will be coffee residue here and I don't know how to clean this cover. Okay. And for SealPod, you can fill about 4.5 to 5 grams of coffee, a little bit more because you just fill it to the top and seal it. For iCafilas, you fill a little bit less because the cover, the lid has a thickness, so you can feel less coffee with this one. And about the crema, you'll see the result when we compare the coffee. Okay, now I'm going to use ground coffee. First SealPod, wait it. Okay, fill, press, fill, press, and get rid of the excess coffee with the spoon. And I fill about 4.6 grams of coffee, if you can see here, 4.6. To seal this and have it ready here, the fresh cover. Now iCafilas, I'm going to weight this. If I fill the same amount of coffee as SealPod, you'll not be able to close it. now I just fill how much? 4.5. You can see 4.5 here, but because in this case I fill it to the top, I will not be able to close this lid. Okay, see? Even if I put so much pressure, I'm not able to close this. So I need to remove some coffee, and maybe just not press much to be able to fill. Now it's 4.0. You can see 4.0 here. Okay, I hope that I can close this now. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so first I'm going to pop in SealPod. And now I Cafilas. Let me show you. I don't know if it's clear. Okay. For SealPod, the crema is a bit thicker than iCafilas. I think maybe double, if you can see here. Okay. And iCafilas also have pretty good crema too, I would say. Okay. And I'm going to remove the capsule and show you inside. Looks like. Okay. This is SealPod. It's hot, so be careful when you get your capsule out. I would recommend you to wash it after it's cooled down. So I'm just going to show you. You just peel the sticker lid like this, and you can wash it. And for iCafilas, okay. So it's very easy also to get the lid out. See, just need to figure out how you wash this lid. I'll recommend you to, if you can get both capsule and test it if you want. The iCafilas is about $15.9, and the SealPod is about $19 and comes with 100 sticker lids. So you can test it and you can compare the result for both and see which one you like best. So I hope this video helps for you to see which reusable capsule is more suitable for you. And if you want to see other comparisons for other reusable capsules, you can just let us know. Leave a comment, and we'll make more videos to compare more capsules for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.